When a wave waves in a cavity, that is its harmonic signature. What is the natural source that actually drive the atomic to cellular life construct or structure of the entire body? There is no physical structure at the Planck size dimension. It is pure harmonic wave. A particle is merely an accumulation or set of mathematical parameters. There is an infinite mathematical number called the prime number set that could be assigned to any physical construct or form, as quantum information dictates the wave-particle structure. Considering every atom is a specific number, a prime number harmonic. Therefore, the harmonic fields are the matter. As de Broglie found, the entire mechanism of an atom is harmonic. The information is the creation, the process. The only question is, where is the information coming from? That is the real question. Some would say brain, but that is an assumption and unrealistic. How can waves fix themselves, as how does a brain fix itself? It is not possible. Information cannot fix itself. As a user outside the box is responsible, all its parts and information is non-local to the computer. The brain is a radio, an information terminal. Planck to atom to cell to body, it all seamlessly operate as a cohesive real-time avatar. A harmonic, mathematic, electromagnetic field-based structure in a larger field of electromagnetic. The quantum plane event horizon fluctuate and communicate through the zero-point waveguide, the way all the information I am. The light is the body, it phases between Planck to photon to quantum to electronic manifestation of seeming chemical bond, but really it is the EM field interaction. In other words, the body is the mind in action-reaction or interaction. The mind is godly in natural emergent entangled harmonic interaction. It is the fundamental, and that is zero-point portal North Pole, the source of all our flat plane or event horizon interaction. We cannot think in terms of locally, as everything is spooky action at a distance. The source is non-local generated, then it all goes galactic. The next logical step is to accept black holes as minds. They draw all information in. Since all objects physical are information, then it is an information collector, and as Hawkins on BH states, and what goes in must go out. A two-way system plus zero minus the yin-yang or alpha to omega to alpha matter is information combinations. So a zero fundamental that waves that travel in the almost zero waveguides in universe can send information at almost zero space, zero time, i.e. entangled speed. Zero is nothing, no time, no space. But just outside of it there are loads of +1 and -1 creating duality, as in a dual duality. Alpha universe and omega universes. As the Lorentz attraction, which is I love you from across the wall of zero, we can only feel body, we cannot enter the body informationally, as action and reaction. Pull in, push out, but never meet fully, never become one. Adam chases Eve but can never enter her fully, as in two separate universes. Like white hole, black holes, diametrically opposed on everything, so without it harmonizing together or disharmonizing is life. I am galactic. I am quantum. I am one universe, like everybody else. Alpha mind plus yin-yang, omega body. Mind zero origin alpha started at thought size. Omega body be any size mind chooses. Planets and suns are ideas I had. People think quantum is isolated from universal, but they are one. A system cannot exist without information AM. Think micro and macro as one. We are universes. Each ring jewels of mind. Gods really. The whole is my zero, the diamond is my mind. A structure of my geometry, my crystal palace. I am. Like you can't actually touch anything, as at the Planck levels harmonic exchange of information is all that happens. The Z information is the matter's form, as the de Broglie atom waves like mini black holes of information. If an atom is a zero with polarity as +0-, it has no time or space at its core. But the outside does, the event horizon, the quantum plane. Same thing. Therefore an atom never changes its harmonics, they are perpetual, and any interaction with them creates a return entangled field to echo back. Like a two-way radio, as everything that creates information in the continuum is reflected back to source I am as the action-reaction process goes. Einstein's time dilation is wrong according to Sagniak. Time is not variable, the speed of light is, it is relative to space. So leaving the Earth with a spaceship at the almost speed of light does not have a different time than the original time. The light changes speed, depending on medium. In space there is no medium, so light is infinite speed or entangled. Like ludicrous speed. So the Z is the way, the zero is a wormhole, entangled. All is information. These following images are a collection of cave wall paintings from India, said to be 10,000 years old.